Hey there, Frailers. Well, I still don't have my voice back completely, but I had a cold that then turned into the flu or some flu-like object and just went on, and I've still got a cough. And anyway, so it's been a while, so wanted to get back into doing a Frailing Folk Song of the Week. So we're going to start out right into this, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do just in standard open G, we're going to do the basic Frailing strum alternating between the 3rd and 4th strings. So we're just going to go. And get a little comfortable doing that. This is a Beatles song. I've just seen a face, I can't forget the time or place that we just met. Just the girl for me, I want all the world to see we've met. Ooh, la la la. Had it been another day, I might have looked the other way. I'd not have been well. As it is, I'll dream tonight of this. Night, 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 night. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I have never known the like of this. I've been alone and I have missed things and kept out of sight. Other girls were never quite like this. Lie, 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 lie. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I've just seen a face I can't forget, time or place that we just met. She's just the girl for me, I want all the world to see we've met. La 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 la. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. So that's almost a good little exercise for just building up your frailing speed just a bit. Just start out a little slower and kind of on the G. You can slow it down if you want to. So it's just G. Alternating, so you strike 3rd, thumb, strike 4th, strum, thumb. And you can go as slow as you want to if you need to. Slow the whole song down a little bit. I've just seen a face I can't forget, the time or place that we just met. Just the girl for me, I want all the world to see we've met. La 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 la. So that's just G. That whole I've just seen a face I can't forget, time or place that we just, and it goes to E minor. Met, she's just the girl for me, I want all the world to see we've met. Lie, lie, die, da, da, die. So it's going C to D to G. Or if you prefer, you can go D7. So you can go, so E minor to C. Lie, die, to that D, da 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 da, back to G. And it goes to the second verse. Had it been another day, might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. So that's the E minor. Where, as it is, I'll dream tonight of her. Lie-die, back to this, that's the C. Lie-die to the D, or the D7. Die-die-die-die. Now it goes to the chorus, and it goes to a D. Falling, yes I am, goes to C. Falling, and she keeps, back to G. Calling to C, be back again to G. So this is one of those songs, it doesn't really matter how fast you go. You can do it really slow. You can go. I have never known the like of this. I've been alone and I have missed things, kept out of sight. Other girls were never quite like this. Lie, die, 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 die. Pardon me. So it's that G. I have never known the like of this. I have known and I have E minor, missed things and kept out of sight. Other girls will never quite like to see this. Lie, die, 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 die. To that D or D7. Die, die, die. Now it goes into the chorus twice. To that D. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling to G to C. Be back again. So that's D, C, G, C, G. Now it goes back to the first verse again. I've just seen a face I can't forget. Time or place with we just met. It's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see we've met. La 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 la. So it's G, Z, I can't forget G. Then it goes to E minor. She's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see, La da, back to D, da da G. Back to that D again. Falling, yes I am falling. She keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. That's basically the whole song. Now there are a couple of little things you might want to try as you feel more comfortable. For example, when you're doing that I've just seen a face I can't forget, time or place. When you get to that part, you can actually go to the D string at the 4th fret. So you're doing a little descending. So it's, I've just seen a face I can't forget, time or place that we just met. She's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see we've. Now we can go to the C, met. Boom. So you go strike down on the 2nd string. So you're playing a C there. So you're going from the little out of tune, but da, da, da. So it'd be like that. I've just seen her face, I can't forget. Time or place that we just met. She's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see we met. Da 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 da. That just adds a little bit of a descending bass line feel to it, but it's completely optional. Anyway, so that's all for this week. My voice is just about gone, but hopefully I'll see you again next week. Take care. Hey, Frailers, listen, I almost forgot to tell you. I wanted to talk to you a little about the Maryland Folk Music Retreat, which will be taking place on June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd in Maryland, naturally. And this is a retreat that's organized by Pat and Patrick Costello. And it's really a great time. This will be the 3rd year that I will be there. Last year I taught workshops in singing and a workshop in songwriting, and I also did a little bit of fingerstyle guitar workshop, but at the same time they have other people teaching, let's see, I think new one is hammered dulcimer, and then they have ukulele, and of course banjo, and fiddle, and several other different workshops for you to go, and there's a price scale for just about everybody. They've got everything from full accommodations, semi-private rooms, 2 beds and a meal plan, to a bunkhouse, to camping, campground. You can either buy and prepare your own food, bring your own food, or you can get a meal plan and eat in the cafeteria with everybody else. But the main focus is music. The main focus is playing music, not just sitting there and listening to people talk at you. So, most nights there will be jam sessions. There'll even be workshops on how to jam and how to participate in jam sessions and how to get the most out of jam sessions. And but there'll be people in all kinds of little groups all over the place just playing and learning and picking each other's brains and talking to Patrick and Pat and getting as much information as you can. And of course, as I say, I will be there on Friday through Sunday, and I will be available for anybody who wants to talk to me about pretty much anything. Songs that I've gone over on the Frailing Folk Song of the Week that you don't get, anything you need. So anyway, so that's it's a great time, and you can go to www.marylandfolk.com, and there you can get more information, and you can get the phone number, or you can talk to Pat Costello and place your orders, get more specifics about the rooms and accommodations and the pricing, and get all set up. And I certainly hope that I will see you there. Take care.